Small, lightweight, long battery life, sweat resistant, and Bluetooth 5.0. Welcome to the unboxing and review of Anker's Soundcore Liberty Neo. The first thing I noticed when taking the Soundcore Liberty Neo out of the box was how light it was, and that was with all the parts inside. The Liberty Neo comes with tips that are all shapes and sizes to ensure a comfortable fit. The Liberty Neo comes with the USB charging cable in the box and the usual manuals. Due to the amount of features the Liberty Neo has, I recommend taking a look at the manual yourself. The Liberty Neo case has 3 charging status lights on the front of the case. As you can see here, my pair came only partially charged. I recommend charging the case with the headphones inside them fully before using them for the first time. The headphones are very easy to take in and out of the case. The USB charging port is located behind the cover on the back of the case. When pairing the headset, if you take both headphones out at the same time, they will pair in their default mode, which is the right one pairs with your phone and the left one pairs with the right one. You can, however, pair the left one directly with your phone with the right one still in the case, and when doing this, you'll enable yourself to be able to use either one on their own as well as both together. Just as a side note, if you are using the left one on its own and then you want to switch to using both together, put the left one back in the case, take out the right one, and then take out the left one, and this way the left one will pair with the right one and resync together as a pair. The case is so small it was even able to fit in the coin holder in my car. The sound quality on this headset is phenomenal. If you're listening to music or you're listening to anything, the sounds come through perfectly clear, crisp, and the battery life is phenomenal. On top of that, the headset blocks out nearly all external noises. That makes this headset perfect for a commute on a noisy bus, subway train, or even on an airplane. Well, now you want to know, well, what does the microphone sound like for this headset? Can other people hear me clearly? Do people complain to me that they can't hear me when talking to me on the phone while I'm using this headset? The answer is the microphone on this headset is crystal clear. No one complains that they can't hear me, and as a matter of fact, this entire video was recorded using the Anker Liberty Neo. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next videos as they come out.